Hey everybody, it's Mark Pruitt with Strategic Estate Planning Services. I hope this video finds you well. This is another strategic update. We are in the middle of October here now. September has finally gone away. Weather is cooler all across Texas and a lot of other parts of the country as well. So I hope you're enjoying some of the fall weather that is finally starting to hit. And I can tell you September as a whole in regards to markets, that is also finally over. The third quarter began to tighten a little bit, and that's exactly what we projected that it would do. September is normally a down month. If you look at history back in the markets in September, you will normally find that Septembers are never very good as a whole. So once again, this was right on cue. So now it's what lies ahead for the fourth quarter. And so this will be the last 3 months of the year. And so I'm going to try to give you some things to measure that become very, very important. Number one, I can tell you markets have moved also as COVID cases have moved. We have now seen that pattern as well. So let me kind of give you a couple of them right quick as far as stats go. I can tell you COVID cases based on CDC and reporting is down 34% week over week. For the last couple of weeks, they're also down 52% month over month for the last couple of months. So that's a good thing. And as that goes down, people begin to get out, do things, spend money, go to football games, which has been very evident from if you watch football at all, that the people are back in the stadiums and people are back out eating, doing things that they want to do because the weather provides that for them and it's cooler to do it. So that's a good thing. So that's one thing to keep in mind in regards to markets. Fourth quarter, we also believe that in fact, we're seeing now oil is actually even higher than we projected. In the summers when it was at $60 a barrel, we projected $70 a barrel. It hit that before summer was out. And it is now at $80 a barrel. And we are expecting it to probably go between $84 and $85 a barrel at a minimum. So we're tracking that as well. Bottom line that is as oil moves forward, that is a leading indicator. As oil moves up, markets begin to do and follow that. So that's very important. Another thing, in fact, if you want to track oil, you can actually put it on your phone, put it on your computer. It's OIL. It's very, very simple. And you can track that upward movement or downward movement depending on what's going on. I can also tell you the 10-year Treasury note is also trending up, and when you continue both of these things, such as oil and the 10-year Treasury note, basically that is a quad 2, which is a green light. You have oil going up and 10-year Treasuries going up. When they're going up together, that tells you that's a green light. We're going back into that. And what that means simply is that means stocks, bonds, commodities move forward or move up. It's not necessarily a straight line. We still think it's going to be choppy till the end of the year, but we're not looking for a signal that would be a negative signal. Now, I can tell you this is kind of a prediction, but I can tell you that it also contains common sense in regards to this and some of the measurements. That's why I'm giving you things like oil, giving you things like the 10-year Treasury notes as well. The economy begins to recover and will continue to recover throughout the rest of this year and I believe into next year. Inflation is here. We said it, that some of it could be temporary, but a lot of it is not. And the reason it is not is because there is such short supplies all across the nation. You know, you've all seen the pictures probably in New York or in California of all the cargo ships sitting out there waiting to come in. Right now there is a 4-week wait to unload a ship. So if you arrive, you got to wait a month before you can even get in to unload. Put on top of that, what they have now stated is a 25-mile train backup for the trains to receive the cargo before it can ever ship inland. And that doesn't even include the truck driver shortage. So when you start stacking these things up, that makes prices go up. But what it also tells me is people are buying again. They are ordering again. Companies are still trying to restock their shelves. That's not a tightening of the economy. That is now a continued expansion of the economy. And so whenever we got into that third quarter, that we just came out of, we said it was going to be a yellow or a slowdown, and because some of that was to measure how fast are we going to recover. Well, the recovery is really based on how fast can we get supplies back in to just us. We're all waiting for things. And so that continues and will continue to go on into the new year. That's very, very important. I can also tell you airline staffing shortages, that all affects flying. We're seeing that right now in the news as well. So I can tell you this, that if bottlenecks will loosen in this coming quarter, the fourth quarter, then that's going to provide a potential big upside for inventory numbers as companies restock. Because companies, when they restock those shelves, it's kind of like reopening. For us, we get out and we want to go spend money, and that's higher consumer consumption when we have things on the shelves. And we're all kind of sitting here waiting for different things to order. I know my dad's ordered a computer. He's waiting on it. We've ordered a computer here for the office. We're waiting on it. And so it's not coming near as fast as it normally does because of the bottlenecks. So as markets change, though, I can promise you, so will we. This is not a long-standing call for Quad 2, but right now we're back into a green zone of a Quad 2 for the fourth quarter, and we consider that a prevailing market condition, and we'll invest accordingly. And then if markets continue to give signals that could change that, or data slows, then we'll change right along with that. And the point becomes is that we're going to be tactical in whatever we do. And we'll use the right tools, the right strategy based on what's going on out there. So we just want to let you know we're watching this, we're observing this, measuring it, and trying to give you a little snippet of just some of the things, not all, but a few of the things that we're measuring, and try to help you piece together what's going on. We're not looking at it politically. We're trying to look at actual numbers of what's going on between oils and treasuries and commodities that are log jammed. If we can get some of that back into the systems here, you're going to see an economy continue to move forward. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate. You can always call us 1-800-381-8870. Have a happy fall, and if you need anything, give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.